Another way to keep your word of the year in mind is by creating a set of wood-burned coasters. This is really cool. Amy Latta is back with us. We're going to talk about what we need for these wood coasters first. And the first thing is there's a marker, which we know you are the queen of lettering. Not surprised that it involves a marker, but I didn't really connect the two with wood.
Yes, so here's the thing, this is a brand new toy for me. This is called the Scorch Marker, and what it does, it allows you to wood burn without the traditional wood burning tool, which is awesome because in the past, you know, I love to letter, I love to do all kinds of crafts. I have tried traditional wood burning multiple times with multiple brands of tools, and every time I fail so hard. And last time I tried, I actually ended up throwing my project across the room. I was so frustrated. Plus, it's kind of dangerous with that really hot tip. So I was actually on social media recently around the holidays, and I saw someone using the Scorch Marker, and I was like, what is that? That's a game changer.
Yeah.
So all you need to do this project or any of these projects is the Scorch Marker, which runs about $16. You can get it individually or it comes in packs with the little wood rounds that you need and things like that, but it's about a $16 tool. The only other thing that you need is a heat tool that goes up to about 1,000 watts or your oven.
Your oven.
Yep, anything that gets up to at least 300 degrees. So you can see on the screen there the heat tool that I use, but you can also use anything else you have. You can even use, like if you have one of those little torches to make desserts, you can use one of those. You can use open flame, believe it or not. So lots of ways to do it. But the key is you need that heat to create the reaction.
Okay.
So the marker